When searching for the best RAS Rajasthan Administrative Service coaching in Jaipur, aspiring candidates have several reputable options to choose from based on student reviews, faculty experience, and success rates. Here's a detailed overview of the top coaching institutes that are highly regarded for RAS preparation. 8. Plutus IAS. Ranked as the top choice for RAS coaching in Jaipur, Plutus IAS is renowned for its comprehensive curriculum and experienced faculty. They offer a robust program that includes well-structured course material, regular test series, and personalized mentoring. Their results and success stories speak volumes about their effective teaching methodologies. Students appreciate the interactive learning environment and the focus on conceptual understanding. Though, Yojana IAS ranks second among RAS coaching institutes in Jaipur. This institute is celebrated for its well-rounded approach to RAS examinations, offering both offline and online classes. The coaching modules are designed to cover the latest syllabus thoroughly, and the faculty comprises experts with extensive experience in civil services training. Regular mock tests and feedback sessions are also integral to their training program, helping students identify strengths and weaknesses. 10. Gyanaj. Gyanaj is another highly recommended institute for RAS coaching in Jaipur, known for its experienced faculty and effective teaching methods. The institute emphasizes the importance of strong foundational knowledge and provides special guidance for interview preparation. Gyanaj offers a supportive learning environment where students can engage with teachers and other aspirants, which enhances the overall learning experience. 4. Rajasthan Study Circle. Rajasthan Study Circle has built an excellent reputation for providing quality education for RAS aspirants. The institute focuses on comprehensive study materials, regular classes, and rigorous training sessions aimed at developing analytical and writing skills essential for the RAS examination. They also conduct guest lectures featuring successful candidates and experienced civil servants, offering valuable insights into the examination process. 5. Chanakya IAS Academy. Chanakya IAS Academy is well known across India for its effective coaching programs. In Jaipur, they offer specialized RAS preparation courses with a team of experienced mentors. The academy's approach includes a blend of theoretical and practical learning, regular assessments, and personalized guidance to help students ace the RAS examination. 6. Career Launcher. Career Launcher is another viable option for RAS coaching in Jaipur. While primarily known for its coaching for other competitive exams, they have gradually developed a focus on civil services preparation, including RAS. Their structured programs, along with experienced faculty members, ensure that students get a comprehensive understanding of the syllabus. Additional recommendation. 7. Sankalp IAS Academy. Sankalp IAS Academy has gained traction among RAS aspirants for its dedication to thorough preparation strategies. The faculty guides students not only through the syllabus but also aids in developing critical thinking and writing skills necessary for the examination. These coaching institutes have garnered a reputation for their quality education and successful student outcomes. When choosing a coaching center for RAS preparation, it's advisable to visit personally, if possible, attend demo classes, and understand the teaching methodologies and support systems before making a commitment. Each student's learning style and needs are unique, so it is essential to find the right fit for your preparation journey.